Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kostulas, and today I want to show you a quick way to set up a side hustle. Now, everyone obviously can benefit from a side hustle. If you can get a business owner to pay you $300 to $1,000 a month on a reoccurring basis every single month, would that benefit you? Would an extra $1,000 a month every single month benefit you? Well, in this video, if you think that would benefit you, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. I'm going to give you my exact system for how I set it up, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I've built for you real quick in this video. All right, let's do this. Okay, so like I said before, the name of my business is Balance Media Productions. That's my LLC. You can't steal the idea. I know you're upset about it because it's a dope name. All right, let's get into it. All right, so listen, guys, to start your side hustle social media marketing agency, it costs $0 to start. And you literally are already currently walking into businesses every single day that need this. You might be watching this video currently from a business that could use you to do this for them. So just keep that in mind. Like, every single business could benefit from what I can teach you, because whether they have someone doing their social media or not, it doesn't matter. What I can show you in my course is completely different than from just people just doing the social media for, that are just doing the basic posts and whatnot. What I can really show you what to do is effective Facebook marketing, okay? So what I mean by effective is I will literally show you in videos that I literally have here for free on YouTube how to create a marketing campaign that engages the specific audience that you're trying to target. So say you walk into a bagel store, you walk into a pizzeria, you walk into a salon, you walk into a barbershop. Each of them could use you. So what you can do to make an effective marketing campaign for them would be to simply say, hey, I would love to make you a brand story commercial and run Facebook ads to it. I'm new into internet marketing and I would love to get a couple testimonials for my business. I'll do this absolutely for free for you for the first 30 days. But listen, I would love to, work with you, for years to come. So, if you like what I can do for you, if you enjoy the results that I can get you, hopefully we can come to an agreement on a contract. How does that sound? And then, once you can say that to the business owner, it's a wrap. Then you can go and get him the results that will absolutely blow his mind. So how are you going to do that? Well, here are the 5 steps for your new side hustle. The first step is you got to learn the basics. So I'm going to put a card up on this video so you guys can just watch the playlist that I have set up. I have it organized so that you guys can actually take some structure. I know that people buy courses because they want structure. So I kind of make my playlists. I make my playlists similar to my courses to give you guys a sense of, okay, now I know what to do and now I can go take action with it. That's the main goal that I have for you guys. So the next step that you need to do is you got to get them on a 30-day free trial, because they don't trust you yet. They don't know you. For the 30 days, you allow yourself to build immense trust. You can get them amazing results and they're going to love you because you're ultimately going to get them business, So the next step that you're going to do is you're going to download my free script on my Balance University Facebook group. Basically, in this script, what I want you to do is take the PDF and go talk to these business owners and keep it on your phone. And then once you get in touch with the business owner, have them literally look at your phone at the same time that you do. So that way, the same way you see this, you could show them the steps to exactly how you can get them results. I'll show you guys the Facebook group in a second, but let's finish the rest of this slide. So the next step is obviously to have confidence to talk to the business owners. If you don't even have the confidence to talk to someone, like, you got to get your shit together, or social media advertising is not going to be for you unless you learn specific strategies like cold calling and, putting yourself as a freelancer on Upwork, and you could charge an immense amount of money for that. So I'm going to get into that. I'm going to make videos in this upcoming week I think tomorrow I'm going to come out with a video that shows you how to do that. So for this video, primarily, this is for walking door to door to businesses that you're already, currently going to, just local businesses. And the final step is to sign your first reoccurring contract. So once you get them the amazing results, they'll want to stay with you. So let's exit out of this. And I want to show you guys my website right quick. You know what I'm saying? Balance. That's my course. I'm not trying to look at my course right now. Balance Media Productions. Okay. So here on my website, I show you guys the results that I've gotten for business owners. So as you can see here, 3,000 views, 4,000 views, 2,300 views, 80,000 views. I can literally show you guys how to get these business owners results exactly like this. All you got to do is go to my Balance University, Teachable, and you can access my course from my website as well. I don't know why I typed it in. You can access it here. I literally give you guys the exact Facebook ads that I use to get my business owners amazing results. I show you guys how to make the professional commercials that I make. Like, I really break down exactly how to make this, a full-time job once you, graduate from the side hustle phase. Like, once you get your first client and once you're, already got proof that you can get a business owner results like this, you're golden. And you can completely get out of your full-time job and make this your full-time job. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Social media advertising is the shit. So, if I were you guys, I would start learning how to do it as soon as possible. So balanceMediaProductions.com if you're interested in my course, or if you want a free coaching call, it's all set up right here. I'll give you guys 15 minutes free. I'll show you exactly what I did and exactly how I started, and I could basically mentor you and hold your hand through this whole process. If you are interested like that, I have consultations that you can literally schedule on your convenience, and then you could once you pick a day, you have to fill out a little questionnaire real quick. I'd appreciate you just asking me which topic you need help with, and then I can help you, get to whatever goal that you're trying to get to. So that's how you can complete an appointment with me, and I would love to get to know you as soon as possible. So what successful people do, is they take action. When they feel a sense of intuition in their gut telling them, like, there's more for me out there, I advise you to listen to your gut and to just try something. If you feel like this could possibly work for you, what do you got to lose? You know what I'm saying? It costs $0 to try. What if you can do this full time? Take care of clients that literally take only 45 minutes, to take care of when it comes to setting up their ads and whatnot. It's just, this is an unbelievable opportunity, and I will do my best as your mentor to show you exactly how you could actually get results from this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'm coming out with a new video tomorrow. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get clients from not even leaving your bedroom. So peace out, guys.